creating new horizons in machining technology. The more technology advances, the more challenging machining becomes. And that is why we never stop innovating. From a premium cutting tool brand for die and mold, to the brand of choice in the world's most demanding machining domains. We master our proprietary technologies in domains others dare not enter, setting ourselves apart in the market. Moldino will pursue new challenges. That is the essence of Moldino pride. We always stay close to our customers and continue to boldly take on new challenges to become their irreplaceable partner. Sharing the joy of creating new value with our customers, we will continue striving to be the brand of choice worldwide.